Would you like to find out how to create stunning ebooks and more? Make sure to watch this review video and I'll tell you all about this great software tool and how you can also get all of my bonuses. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my review on Pixel Studio FX3. My name is Mark Gossage of markgossage.com. Pixel Studio FX3 is a fantastic tool that's great for creating eCovers and more in under 60 seconds. If you're interested in creating your very own eCovers that you can fully customise for your own digital reports, books, etc., or even to sell for 100% profit, then make sure to click on the link below this video. There are over 190,000 unique designs, 8,000 plus images, 6,000 plus web icons, 5,326 templates. I'm laughing because there's just so many, there's more than you'll ever need in a lifetime, it really is. And you also get over 300 web fonts. At the moment, Pixel FX has over 14,000 paying customers and almost 190,000 eCovers already being created. So you know that your eCovers will be top notch. Whether you're creating an ebook, e-report or similar, it's so easy to create your professionally finished eCover. Why outsource when you can create an eCover in under 60 seconds? That's quicker than it'll take you to write out what sort of eCover you want and send it off, whether it's to Fiverr, eLandsat, anywhere. It's 60 seconds to create. You know what you're getting, you know what you want, you'll be happier. These are the type of designs you can expect, what I'm showing on the screen at the moment. The box, the CD, it does all of that. Now, don't worry about thinking, oh, this is complicated, as there's a complete set of help videos that will walk you through everything. You'll soon be up and running like a pro. With Pixel Studio FX3, you can easily create a box cover, a CD cover, a book cover, a magazine, even add your image to an image of a tablet. Choose from flat images, 3D, whatever you like. Everything is customizable. The text, the image, even the type of ebook, report, even the magazine, the background. The images are fantastic. You can even upload your own images if you want to. You don't have to use the many hundreds, thousands and that are already uploaded. You are in total control of your design. The software is so powerful, you'll be really amazed at just how easy and fast it is to create your own fully finished eCover. So make sure to pick up Pixel Studio FX3 through my link below, because it's at a special discounted price at the moment. It really is. You pay once and that is it for life. It's a one-off payment. It was $97, we're now getting it down to $47. So for this time, for the next 5 days, I believe, it's for the next few days, it's going to be $47. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you to their page, what the monthly fee is, because when all this is over, even $97 is a steal. Have a look here, the standard plan, which only gives you 12 eCover styles and 200 templates, is $12 per month, billed monthly. You can have the premium plan, which allows you to design and download as many eCovers as you want, $20 a month, or the enterprise plan, which gives you a lot more and allows you to sell the eCovers, is $24 per month. So while this is on at $47 one-off payment, this gives you all the rights, you can sell them, you can create them for yourself. This is absolutely a stunning program. Look at all of this. It really is absolutely fantastic. A very powerful tool. I have purchased it myself. I actually use this in my business to make eCovers and similar. I find it very, very easy. Very easy. It's one of the easiest software packages that I've ever used in my many years on the internet, and working with software. It really is. So what can I say? You'll even get some amazing bonuses if you get in there. You're going to get more instant eCovers here, as I'm showing you on the screen. 768 limited edition instant eCovers, all fully editable. So my mouth's getting dry. I've got some water, but I've got to unscrew it. It's in a bottle. Excuse me. If you have a look at the enterprise license, which is bonus 2 that they're throwing in, almost $1,000 value, it gives you the right to create and sell your eCovers, as you know. So there you go. You'll keep 100% of the profits when you sell your eCover. It's easy to sell them for profits if you're on places like Fiverr. Everybody will think you're a professional designer when they see the covers. They really will. Absolutely stunning. Another bonus as well, you're going to get master resale rights to the Marketer's Dozen bundle. All of these you can change the text, the graphics, everything. You can turn them into CD covers. On the CDs you can put them on boxes, 3D boxes. You can create eCovers, magazine covers. Honestly, it's just truly unbelievable. And you get lifetime membership to the Internet Marketing Tools Academy. This is worth $197, and it tells you all about it here. So you'll be getting that as well. So if you want to get started in the next 3 minutes, click on the link below this video. Yep. Oh, and I almost forgot. You'll also get a load of my bonuses as well. Now before I go, it does say there $160 annual. It was lowered to $97 for a time and should now be $47. Okay? One-off payment, lifetime. If I was you, all I can say is get in now. I did about 100 now. Get in there. Click on the link below. Now, I'm going to show you what happens when you click on the link below. It takes you to this page. This is my bonus bundle page. You're going to get all of the bonuses mentioned on this page as well. They will be automatically delivered to you. Well, I say automatically, but when you purchase, you'll be given these on the download page. You'll go there and there'll be a download button, and you'll just click on it and it'll take you to my download page where you'll click all of the bonuses I'm showing you now. Now this is the first one. It shows you how to get traffic for free from Facebook and Twitter. It's an easy tutorial, only a short guide, cut for 3 pages, very easy. You'll soon know how to get free traffic, and you don't have to jump through hurdles. If you've got a Facebook and Twitter account, a few minutes, it's done. You do it every day, get traffic whenever you want, okay? Bonus 2. Now I wrote this up for videos, to sell videos on Fiverr, but it's identical to selling eBooks. You want to sell eCovers and things on Fiverr, this bonus will show you how. It'll explain everything, okay? Here we are. There's a graphics package. This comes with backgrounds for you that you can use as you like on your website, your eCovers, wherever or whenever. You've got full rights to those. I'm also going to give you a list of marketing tools here. So simply click on the links in this report and away you go. It does tell you what each link's for. There's a load of internet marketing tools there waiting for you, all free. I'm also going to include 3 tutorials on virtual marketing techniques there, so you'll get to know how to do that. This one here is for launching video products. There you go. Once you know how to launch video products, you'll be able to launch whatever you want. And of course you get the vendor bonuses, all the vendor bonuses that are mentioned earlier on in the video. But make sure that you don't miss out. Click on any of these orange buttons, there's one there. So there you go, see? One there, and one there, and even at the top. If I go back to the top, look, there's orange, as we go up there's quite a few. Click on any of those and you'll send you away. There you see this ebook here, look this one, let me just see, there you go, favourite. I actually made that in this product that I'm telling you is great. This is what you can expect. I made that myself and designed it, put the designs out, all easy. It took me 2 or 3 minutes. So you can do it in under 60 seconds, but I spent time looking through it, the images, and it took me about 3 minutes, that did. And there you go, that is the finished report. That's on like a magazine type finish. As I say, you can create an ebook, covers everything. So yeah, it's all there for you. I've actually used it, there it is. So what can I say other than make sure that you pick up Pixel Studio FX3 through my link below this video. Grab all of my bonuses when you pick it up, and away you go, okay? I really can't stress enough that, you must get it. Okay, I can't say much more than that except thanks for watching my review. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When you click on the subscribe button, the little bell will appear. Click on that to keep up to date with all of my latest and greatest reviews. All that remains now is for me to say thanks for watching and bye. Okay.
Yeah.